Hello guys, we're finally doing this. We're doing another sit down video. I know it's been a while, but I actually have a couple of fun videos planned out for you guys for this month, so I'm very excited. There's also a luxury unboxing that's coming up very soon, so yeah, I'm excited for that. But welcome to my channel guys. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of fashion and beauty related videos. I also try to vlog. I mean, when I used to travel, I used to vlog a lot. That is what the channel was all about. But hopefully we're gonna start traveling soon and the vlogs will be back. But for now, enjoy this haul video. And guys, before anyone starts attacking me for shopping from Zara and H&M, I mean, the only thing I can tell you is that this is my money and I am shopping as consciously as possible, but at the same time I'm not going to stop shopping from the brands that I already love. So I do enjoy Zara and H&M a lot, and I also sort of try and spend my money locally, so I try to balance it. And I have been shopping a lot from Zara and H&M because a lot of the things are quite convenient when it comes to like daily wear, because I am shooting a lot on a regular basis, so I happen to need a lot of basics and stuff that I feel like will help me with my content on a day-to-day basis. So basically these are the clothes that I've been using every day for my shoots. So yeah, that's basically the justification for shopping. But I don't think I really need to justify my shopping to anyone, because previously when I did a haul video when I shopped from high street brands, I got a lot of backlash, and I also understood the reason why, and I did try and balance my spending habits, but I'm not going to stop shopping from the brands that I love, basically. So yeah, anyway, that was a long intro. Let's get right into the haul guys. I'm very excited. I've shopped all of this over I think about a month, so yeah, let's show you everything. In fact, 2 packages just came in this morning, 3 actually. So 3 of these boxes just came in this morning from Zara, and one of the boxes is actually Siddharth's box. His birthday is coming up. His birthday and my mom's birthday is on Monday, on the 10th of August, and I've planned a lot of surprises, and one of the boxes is a part of the surprise. I'm basically going to send an outfit over to his house tomorrow with a letter saying that, hey, get ready, there's a little surprise waiting for you. So he has to get dressed and just go where I take him. So that's a part of the plan. But yeah, let me see which one's Siddharth's so I can keep that aside. Yeah, this one's his. Alright, so let's open these two. I'm going to open the new stuff first because I don't really kind of remember what all we have in here. Oh yeah, a pair of white trousers, and I love the fabric already. Ooh, I love these. These are super nice. Like, I know I'm gonna wear these a ton. These are high-waisted white trousers, and I love the fabric. It's almost like that stiff fabric that looks really good quality. It is good quality. So yeah, I'm very excited about these pants. And pants like these, last me forever, because I bought a pair of white trousers from Mango when I just started blogging. This was about 4.5, 5 years ago, and I still use it. So stuff like this is always gonna be in fashion. Basics are never gonna go out of trend. So this is amazing. I got this from Zara. It's also very well priced. It's for 3,000. I got a size extra small because it's super high-waisted. And yeah, these are the pants, and I think I love them. Alright, let's open the second box. I ordered for a couple of tops, I remember. I end up shopping at night in a whim. Like, I know it's a bad thing, but at night nowadays, guys, it's been quite boring. Like, how much can one person watch Netflix? Because otherwise we used to sort of socialize at night. But now it's just me and the laptop if I'm not talking to Siddharth at night, or if I'm not chilling with my family. So I end up shopping a lot online at night, which is kind of scary. I have been trying to be smart with my money. I have actually been eyeing a handbag from Dior for the longest time, and I also asked my essay to keep it aside for a bit, but then I'm still thinking about it. So I don't wanna spend unnecessarily, but also I'm very tempted. So there might be 2 luxury unboxings coming up very soon. One of the boxes is already here. I bought something from Hermes, and let me know if you guys can guess what I got. It's not a big purchase, but it's still Hermes, and I feel like it's my first Hermes purchase, so I'm quite excited. So I will do a video of me unboxing what I got. It's not a bag. It will happen someday, but not yet. But yeah, I will do the Hermes unboxing super soon, maybe this week. Let me know if you want to see that, and can you guess what I got. But yeah, and I might buy that bag as well, so if there's a bag there might be 2 luxury unboxings. I don't know. Okay, so there are like 3 tops. Let me put the side. Yeah. So top number 1 is this black off the shoulder with like a puffy sleeve thing going on and a tie detail on the waist. It's super cute actually. It's quite basic, but you know it's gonna go with everything. And yeah, I think it's super cute. I love the tie detail as well. It looks quite flattering. You can hide it as well if you don't want to wear it with the tie thing, but I think it's a very cute top, very basic. I feel like I have something like this, but I'm not sure. But I know I have something like this in white for sure. Black I wasn't sure about, but I just felt it looked really cute on the website, so I bought it. But yeah, can't wait to wear it. Then the next top I got is, it's just basically like a white tank top, because I end up wearing basic tank tops a lot. Like I love the Zara basics, and I got a basic white tank top because I end up wearing this when I go down, you know, just to take a walk, or you know, just when I'm basically chilling with like a pair of jogger pants or whatever. So just a basic white tank top. I needed a new one because the other one that I have has become quite old. It looks quite worn out, so I bought a new one. And I thought this was actually pink. This is kind of lavender, but when I saw it on the website, I actually thought it was sort of a bright pink, but it happens to be a lavender bodysuit, which is kind of high neck, and I actually plan to wear this on Monday for Siddharth and Mom's birthday dinner that I'm planning. It's a surprise birthday dinner. I'm actually going to vlog the whole birthday, guys, so be sure to watch the video. I think it's going to be the next video after this one, or maybe after the Hermes haul, I'm not sure, but the video is coming up. I'm vlogging the whole birthday, so don't miss it. But yeah, I'm planning to wear this bodysuit with the white trousers for the birthday dinner because I want to be comfortable. So yeah, I like this and I love the fabric. This fabric is always quite flattering. It looks really good when it's on. So yeah, let's finish with all the tops because there are quite a few tops that I got from Zara. So let's finish with the tops and then we'll move category wise. I don't mind the pile that I have on my lap. It's just more convenient. Like I can just like show it to you. But anyway, also guys, let me know what you think of this setup. Like I'm trying to upgrade my lighting. I've bought a new light right now and I think it's quite nice, but I feel like I need one more of these to balance it out well. So yeah, let me know. And I just realized one of my ring lights just went off. So I have a ring light and I have this new light and the ring light just went off, so let me just switch it on. Sorry. Alright, it's back on. I didn't even realize that the other light was on the whole time and it went off again. I'm back. Also I tied my hair because it's kind of just easier. But this too is a kind of a weird situation because I feel like this light wasn't on the whole time, but now it is. So yeah, moving on. Alright, I got this on sale, I believe. Like I bought a bunch of these things when the Zara sale was on. It was almost getting over, so I sort of got whatever was left because my size in everything was pretty much over, so I got whatever I could. But I got this little bralette. Like I love the fabric. It's very easy. I wore this when I was in Alibag with my family when we recently went for like a quick weekend getaway. But I love this top. It's kind of ribbed. It's just super easy, you know, you can throw it on under anything or just wear it as it is with high-waisted pants, and I love the color. And I think I got it like for super cheap. I don't remember the price, but it was really cheap, so I got it. This next top is a recent purchase. It's super cute. I love the color. It's this one shoulder frilly crop top and I think it's super cute. It's got this sticky tape as well so that it doesn't slip, which I really like. And I love the color. I love the length as well. I haven't really tried it on as yet. I will try it on right now for this video, but yeah, I think it's super cute. It's again going to look very cute with the white pants that I just got. So yeah, all with jeans. Next top that I have is this slinky off the shoulder grey full sleeve top, and I wore it for a recent video on Instagram and everyone seemed to really like it. They also have a version with like proper shoulders, which is not off shoulder, so you can check that out as well. But I got the off shoulder version and I think it's a very nice top. It's again going to go with everything. As you guys can tell, I basically prefer purchasing a lot of basics because you can basically wear this with a lot. So I think this is a cute top. This with like a cute necklace, you know, or with like your hair in a bun. I don't know why I'm styling it, but let's go with it. Like your hair in a bun, white trousers, statement earrings, and you're good to go. So cute. Okay, so this next top, I got it again during the Zara sale, and the price was like super low, which is like not normal. I got it for about like 390 bucks. I was just wondering like how is that possible? And then later I realized because it's a defective piece, there's like a little bit of paint. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's like a little bit of paint here. Because of this, I think they sort of reduced the price, which I don't mind because honestly, it just my hair usually ends up hiding this. I didn't even notice it. Like my sister-in-law Mona showed me. Maybe if I sent it to the dry cleaners, it could go. But like honestly, I don't care. And yeah, it's just this crisscross white crop top. Again, I've worn this a ton since the time I got it. Like it's so versatile. It just goes with everything. And it's like a basic, but like a dressier version of a basic top. So yeah, it's quite nice. Also, the fabric is really nice. Like it's nice and thick, which I like. This next top is a tank top. This is basically something that Zara does a lot. It's a part of their collection that's always there, and they keep like introducing new colors. So I got this sky blue color. I have a lot of colors in this top already, but yeah, I really like this color. I've already worn it a ton since I got it, and yeah, this with just a pair of jeans. Yeah, it's so easy. I love it. I love the color. The next top is this sparkly number. It's a very interesting top. I love the back. It's got this little hook detail at the back with these flowy bits. And it's just like a basic silver sequin crop top. And you can't go wrong with this. Honestly, like when you don't know what to wear, you can just throw this on with a pair of black trousers and you're good to go when you're going out for dinner. When we happen to go out for dinners again. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but you know. Just imagining a dinner that I'm going to at my favorite restaurant, probably in this top. You never know. The next top that I got is again during the sale. It's this tiny little pink satin bralette. I won't really call it a crop top because it's quite tiny, and it actually goes through this loop as well. It's a crisscross detail at the back, but I've just tied it like a single knot. But I tried this on, and for a girl that doesn't have big boobs, it makes me look like I have big boobs. I'm going to insert a picture right now, and I promise guys, I've not done anything to this picture. There's also a video so you guys can tell that in the video my boobs look enormous in this top. I don't know what it is. It looks like I've got a boob job done, but honestly I'm a girl with small boobs, and with this it looks like I have big boobs. So I mean, I don't mind it on the days when I'm trying to, you know, look like I have some boobs going on. I can't really wear this casually, to be very honest, because it looks a bit much, but it's a cute top. Like I can always layer it with stuff, but maybe when I'm on holiday I can like wear it casually, but not in Bombay for sure. The next top that I got is this satin cami top with like this lace insert right in the middle. It's got this cowl detail with this lace. It's just again a basic black cami, and you can't go wrong with this. I have a black satin cami, but that kind of got ruined. It happened to touch a hot iron and my hair iron, and it burnt the top. So even if like when I tuck it in, it's fine, but when I don't tuck it in, you can clearly see the burnt marks. So I had to get a new one. So I got this again from Zara. It was decently priced, $18.90, and yeah, I still need to wear it, but it's nice. I'm planning to actually wear that top maybe with the polka dot skirt, the frill skirt that I got from Zara that I showed you guys in my previous Zara haul. So I might wear that skirt for tomorrow's dinner with Siddharth, the private surprise dinner that I'm doing with Siddharth. So I might wear that. Finally, I'm getting to wear the polka dot skirt. I'm so excited to get ready tomorrow, guys. I'm actually planning to do like a whole get ready with me in the vlog that I'm doing for the birthday, because I'm getting ready after ages, like to actually go somewhere. So I'm gonna go full on. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna definitely vlog the whole get ready bit as well. So yeah, you guys will see what I end up wearing in the vlog. Then I got this super popular top that's become a trend right now, the shoulder padded detail t-shirts, which I love the way it looks when you have it on. It just elevates a basic white t-shirt in so many ways. So I love this top. If you guys want to buy a white t-shirt, I definitely recommend checking out, you know, a t-shirt like this with like shoulder pads, because I just feel like it looks very cool. It almost looks like a muscle tee, and I really like it. I've also worn this a lot since I got it. So yeah, check it out. They have a lot of colors. They've been doing a lot of variations as well on Zara with this top. So yeah, And by the way guys, all the stuff that I've shown you so far has been from Zara. I have a few bits from H&M which I will mention, but so far everything's pretty much been from Zara. So yeah, in case you're wondering. The next t-shirt that I have is again from Zara. It says limited edition and it almost reminds me of like an Hermes scarf, but it isn't. So it's just a Zara t-shirt and I love the colors. I actually wore it for a Sunday lunch to Siddharth's house recently. I posted a picture in it. I'll probably insert it right now. So that's how I wore it. But it's just a basic white t-shirt. I love the colors. And yeah, nothing much to say about it. Just a t-shirt, but I like the print. Next up is this little top that I feel like I should have actually sized down. I bought a small and I usually wear an extra small in Zara, but when I saw it on the website I felt it was really tiny. But when I wore it I felt like I could have used an extra small instead because it's kind of loose, but it's really cute. It also had matching pants, but I didn't get the matching pants because I feel like I was actually seeing this everywhere. I saw a lot of people wearing this, but I bought it anyway because it was on sale and it was cute. So I like this. Again with like the white trousers, this will be super cute. Jeans, and I love gingham. Like I love the gingham print, especially in blue, so it's super cute. Next up is a very interesting top. This is a very it's super dressy obviously. Like it's a tube top with a lot of ruffly details going on and it's got a bit of sparkle going on in the fabric as well. So I think it's a very nice top. You know, I wore it for like a video that I shot for Elle magazine recently with this skirt, actually the skirt that I have on right now, the lavender skirt. Let me actually stand up. So with this lavender skirt I actually teamed it up with this top for that video for Elle magazine. I shot like a quarantine birthday video just for fun, just like a fun video. So yeah, I got this top. It's kind of cute. Alright, so we're through with all the tops pretty much. And now let's look at the pants that I have. So we already saw one pair of pants that I just got from Zara, the white trousers. And then I got something very similar from Zara, but the fabric is quite different. This fabric is way like flowy. But also these pants look way more formal, to be honest. They are just high-waisted black trousers. The black is also not like jet black. It kind of is in the middle of a navy blue and black, but it is still black. It's just kind of a little faded. But yeah, I like the way these trousers look when they're on. They're super flattering. And guys, I'm going to link everything down below. So, you know, whatever is in stock, you will find it linked down below. So I really like these pants for sure. And also guys, I am on the taller side. Like I'm not very tall, but like as compared to the average Indian height, I'm kind of tall. I'm 5'8", so a lot of the pants that I buy from other brands end up being really short for me. So like Zara is pretty much the only brand, and also maybe like Mango, that do jeans for tall girls, like jeans and trousers. So I don't really have to worry about the length, but otherwise with every other brand it's a problem. Like I cannot buy pants easily, like especially brands like Bershka, Pull & Bear, although they are Zara brands, their trousers are always short for me. So my trousers are usually only from Zara. This next pant I actually got from the sale again from Zara, and I love the way this pant looks, the way this pant fits, and the way this pant feels. Like the fabric is so soft. I love the print. It's such a beautiful blue print, and these pants are kind of semi-high-waisted, which is always good. I love high-waisted pants. They're just so much easier, and just overall they're really nice pants. You can style this in so many ways, and these are definitely dressy. Like if you can, you know, you can definitely dress this up, dress this down. In the day, if I just wear this with a white t-shirt, I'm good to go. But at night, I can totally dress it up with like a black tank top and jewelry. Damn, I miss going out. But yeah, these pants are super cute, guys. I got this on sale, as I mentioned, so it was a steal, and I love these. Alright, we have two more pants to go. Next up are these denim pink high-waisted pants, and these pants are beautiful. I've been wearing them a ton. Usually when you buy colored pants, you don't end up wearing them as much because you can't really team it up with everything. But with these light pink pants, I have literally been teaming this up with so many things. Like you'll be shocked the number of things that actually go with a pair of light pink denim pants. But these are amazing. They're high-waisted. I love the wide-legness of it. And just overall, I've been loving these jeans. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you must have noticed these pants a lot, because I have been enjoying them quite a bit. But yeah, just a basic pair of pink high-waisted denim pants. Next pair of pants that I have with me are actually from H&M. Now, as I just mentioned, guys, the problem of my height and jeans, right? So I got these jeans from H&M. When I saw it on the website on H&M, it looked perfectly fine. On the model, the length was fine. I didn't check the model's height, but it looked like, you know, it was fine. But on me, the jeans are short. They're kind of ankle length jeans. They're not high waist. They're not full length jeans. Because on the website, they were shown as full length jeans. But on me, they're ankle length jeans. But I still like the way they look in the end. And I love the wash of the pants. Like I love the blue. And just basic high waisted blue jeans. But I want to buy a similar color in a full length version, because ankle length jeans don't really go with everything, and also they look very casual. Like if you want jeans that are kind of dressy, or if you want to dress them up, full length ones are the ones that actually end up looking good. So yeah, the problem of me not getting full length jeans is an issue. Like I only get them at Zara. Then I have one little skirt that I got from H&M. Actually, the H&M team sent it to me because I did a little project with them, and they also wanted to gift me a couple of things that I liked, and I only ended up picking this skirt during that project, but I really like this skirt. It's this ruffly skirt. It's beautiful. I love the fabric. It's basically beige cotton poplin fabric, and I love the ruffles. I haven't tried it on yet. I will right now, but you know, it's just super nice and dressy. I really I'm thinking of a holiday when I look at the skirt, but yeah, it's super cute. I love the color. We're almost there, hang in there. We have a few more things to go. I have a couple of dresses and a jacket to show you. Let me show you the jacket first. Next up, I have a pink blazer with me. Now this pink blazer has again been used, and how? It's a bubblegum pink blazer, and I think the color is super sweet. And the funny story is that I've actually worn this blazer a lot in a couple of videos that I shot for Instagram, but I haven't really taken off the tag, which I just realized. It's for 2699 in case you're wondering, and I got a size small, but yeah, I haven't taken off the tag because usually when you wear a blazer you can't really see this bit, right? But yeah, just realized. But I love the color. It's super pretty. Ooh. Oh, that was a fringe. I thought there was something on my face. I just freaked out. That was just my hair. Anyway, but I love the color. I've actually worn it a lot. You know, you can style it in so many ways. This with the jeans that I just showed you, the pink jeans, also is super cute. It's a good look, and yeah, it's just a fun blazer. I've been into blazers a lot, guys. I've been loving blazers, but the only thing is that I don't want to end up buying too many blazers right now because, you know, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just, yeah, I need to stop saying that again and again. But yeah, the problem is I'm not going anywhere, so I don't want to buy too many blazers, but I'm definitely into blazers. Like a tank top, jeans and a blazer is like a go-to look when you're just like rushing out of the house and you want to look like you've not put a lot of efforts into sort of dressing up, but you're still dressed up. A blazer is amazing. Anyway, we've got a couple of dresses now. Alright, so I have a couple of dresses to show you, out of which two are from H&M. I have this midi dress with me from H&M, which I think is beautiful. I love the color, I love the fabric, I love the cut. It's like this super deep neck dress, which is basically very flattering on, like definitely for a girl with small boobs, it's very easy to carry off. But if you're kind of heavy chested, this might be kind of risque, because like this is a small cup, right? So you might have some spillage, because even with small boobs that I have, like I had to be careful. I actually shot with this dress on, so yeah, I mean, it's the length, the neck length could be an issue, but for me it's fine. I like it, and I love the color, I love the length, and I just love the dress. It's so flirty and girly, and you know, yeah, just super easy. The next dress that I have is again from H&M. It's a basic white midi dress, and it's just so easy, like just to throw it on when you just want to run errands. Super summery, super lightweight. It's got this ruffle thing going on the neck and the shoulder, and otherwise it's just a basic white poplin midi dress. You can't go wrong with this, guys. I know this comes in more colors and prints, but I ended up buying the white one. They also have a black, which I might get because I really like this dress and I know I'll end up wearing it a lot. I will have to sort of tighten it a little bit when because I kind of wore it to try it on, and I feel like I need to take it up a little bit because otherwise the strap keeps falling off for me, but if I take it up like maybe half an inch from each side, it should be fine. But otherwise, I love the dress. I might get the black version as well, and I have the tag on, so yeah, I got the extra small, and the price was $14.99. Very well priced for such a pretty dress. So yeah. Alright, the last thing that I have with me for this haul happens to be from Zara, and it's this shirt dress, which is a very Jacquemus inspired dress. I ended up on Diet Sabya a couple of years, 2 years ago, when I wore a white shirt dress that happened to be a Jacquemus design. And if I'm being completely transparent with you guys, I hadn't heard of the brand until then. I mean, of course I love fashion, but you can't really know everything in fashion, right? Like, who am I? I'm not the editor of Vogue here, but yeah, it was similar to the Jacquemus dress, and I was called out for it on Diet Sabya. And you know, if you guys know Diet Sabya, he can be kind of mean and cruel with his words. So yeah, that's the day I was introduced to Jacquemus, and there was no looking back because I love the brand, and now I actually own stuff from Jacquemus, so I just love the brand. Anyway, where is this going? I got this dress from Zara, which is kind of a Jacquemus version, but it has short sleeves. It's not exactly the same, so I'm not going to be on Diet Sabya if I wear this again, but yeah. This is a mini green dress, and it's super cute. I love the short sleeves. I love the fabric, I love the knot detail here, and I love the fact that it's got this ruching thing going on, which makes the dress look more flattering when it's on. And the fabric is kind of on the thicker side. Like, when I bought it, I thought it would be kind of flimsy, but it isn't. It's on the thicker side, which is great. So yeah, this is again the last thing that is part of this haul, and this brings us to the end of this haul, guys. Guys, just as I ended this haul video, 2 packages arrived, and one is the package that I wanted to show you. The other one is actually quite exciting. It's from Louis Vuitton, which is again a part of Siddharth's birthday gift, which I'm very excited for him to see, but this obviously I'm not gonna unbox. But yeah, this arrived, and there was something from H&M that I mentioned. I don't think I mentioned, but I shopped this recently and it came just on time, so I can show you guys. Alright, we have some stuff from H&M. First thing happens to be this little crop top. It's almost like a linen fabric, basic beige crop top. You know, it's just basic again. I like it. And yeah, there's nothing much to say about it, but just like a linen, basic white, beige crop top. And yeah, next thing that I have is actually a set, just a pair of like jogger pants. But these jogger pants, the fabric actually look really nice online, and oh god, again I feel like it's going to be that issue where the pants are not long enough. Let me they're just about making it. They're not going to be long enough, but they're not short, which is fine. So yeah, these pants in grey, they're kind of ribbed, and I got a matching little tiny crop top. It's not exactly the same fabric, but the colors are basically the same, so it should work together. And yeah, just a set for me to wear when I'm running around getting things done. Not that I'm really doing much nowadays when it comes to going out, but you know, the max I do is go to Siddharth's house to eat food, so this will come in handy then. But in the future, definitely, you know, as a travel look, this would do really well. So yeah, I got this, and this brings us to the end of the haul, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this haul, and don't forget to hit the bell notification if you don't want to miss the videos that are coming up next. I am going to be posting the vlog very soon, and also I'm filming the Hermes unboxing this week, so I'm very excited, and maybe the Dior unboxing if I happen to buy the bag. It is a saddle bag, so the problem is I already own a vintage saddle bag, so I don't know if I am able to justify buying the new version of the saddlebag just yet, but we'll see if I happen to buy it or not. But for now, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Comment down below telling me which were your favorite pieces, and please refrain from telling me that I shouldn't shop from these brands, because I love these brands and I am aware of what's happening in the world, and I am trying to shop consciously, but I do love Zara, so I'm trying to balance it out right now. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you soon. Lots of love, and hope you're staying safe as well. And yeah, love you guys. See you.